Ki nong san hima ki balong ki kenthe, bat ki balong ru ki babahabriu tam hapo kari India borok kowe. I Divyas Pandana i badon kumba live house nem kerta, house nem arajar khat ar, ilas dang ban join ke Indian National Congress, bat house nem arajar khat lai, ilalong i member jongka parliament, napo Kamandia constituency. I Mimi Chakraborty i badon kumba live house nem kerta, house nem arajar khat khandai ila join ke politics, napo ke Jadavpur Lok Sabha constituency, nagasing Trinamool Congress. I Nusrat Jahan i madon kumba aru khandai senem kerta i balong i member of parliament napo ke Basirhat constituency nakaseng Trinamool Congress i balong ru i Bengali actress napo ke Bengali cinema. I Priyanka Gandhi i badai i general secretary jong ke All India Congress Committee i badai i khun jong i Rajiv Gandhi bat jong ka Sonia Gandhi kapara jong u Rahul Gandhi bat i balong ru i trustee jong ka Rajiv Gandhi Foundation.